Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! How are you today? Really short video today. And a short beer. Carling Lager. 4.9%. Brewed in Canada. First brewed in Canada in the mid-1800s. Cheers, big ears! Nice. Got a mail call today. Got a letter from Australia. There you go. Let's open her up, shall we? Get in there, bitchy. GB, it was an honor and a pleasure to receive your bastard rub. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoy the stickers. Cheers, big ears. Take care up there. Kind regards, Patrick from Patty Joe Cooking. Go check them out, people. Got some stickers. Fucking right. Awesome. Thanks, Patrick. That's fucking amazing, man. Woo! One goes on the beer fridge. And the other ones, well, we'll put them somewhere. That's fucking amazing. Go check out Patrick's channel, Patty Joe Cooking. He's a great dude. And he makes some really crazy recipes. And he's very entertaining. Cheers, big ears. Thanks, Patrick. RTFO, mofo. Woo! Drink up, buttercup. Fuck yeah.